Wonderful music, bro. Wonderful music, bro. Hey. What's up? What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? I'm from Jamaica. So can you all hear me out for once, please? Okay, so I'm traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to hear different and various artists. So the reason for this is that in my country, I'm not sure if these music literally plays or the people of my Jamaican culture listen or know these artists. So I guess I'm being a part of the Belgium crew now. Okay, so guys, look, I'm here for just Red Sebastian. Okay, and I've heard that there's a competition been going on where he's participating to showcase his talent, and I'm happy to see what he's capable of. So the song that he'll be performing is called Strobe Light, right? And I'm happy to hear what's up. With that being said, let's go, guys.
Strobe lights getting us in your eyes.
Wait, what's up with the red, bro? Why so much red? Are you a fan of red, or you're using the red to, you know, to be a part of the Belgium, right? Because the red looks scary here, bro. Like, well, ironically speaking, I'm here in red right now. So, what's up with the red? Is this a part of the culture, or you're just a big fan of the red? Let's continue.
Cotton candy haze, we're floating up in space.
Okay, so bro got skills. Bro got skills. I do like when people are very skilled, right? I do like it.
Falling, we're at this down. Screaming, but won't make a sound. Alice, show me your head.
Ra, ra, ra. All right. So this is what he's capable of doing. Okay, this is quite superb. Quite superb. Loving the action. I'm loving this play, right? I'm loving the style of the stage. I guess this is his personality, and I'm loving it. Very good, bro.
Take it to Wonderland. Step into
Yo, dang it!
the mirror, it's a bright new dimensions where no words are needed. Feel the connection when the clocks never tick. Love is the end and come down.
Bro's voice is very unique, right? And this is the difference why I've traversed to various countries, because in Jamaica, we are only a fan of reggae and dancehall mostly. But we have other genres of music here, but reggae and dancehall is the two biggest things that are in Jamaica when it comes on to musical diaspora. Okay? So, Bro's voice is really good. And to sit here to listen to what you have to say, it is a phenomenon, bro.
Looking glass, strobe lights, getting lost in your eyes. Cotton candy head.
Crazy.
We're floating around in space, getting tired. Never felt so alive. And caught up in this maze is where I wanna start.
Oh, bro got vocals. Got bro got some vocals here, bro. This is good, bro. I'm loving his sound right here. I'm loving the sound right here, bro. Damn! Quite a fascination, bro. Damn, this is a very beautiful music.
deep underground. Silence.
Damn, bro, the Reds look so scary, man. Like, I guess he's a huge fan of Fred because what I'm observing about this guy is that he's a very huge fan of Red. Okay? And I'm not a fan of Red though. Mostly blue.
Never felt so loud. Stepped into
Yo, the hand movement is crazy. It's like he's in a robot form here, bro.
mirror to bright new dimensions where no words are needed. Feel the connection. Clocks never tick. When love is the end. Down through
Oh, it's crazy. Yo, what a wonderful music, dog. What a wonderful music. Someday, I would love to be a part of the Belgium crew because you guys are really talented, man. Like, come on, bro. Come on.
looking glass. Strobe lights. Get lost in your eyes. Cotton candy haze.
Wonderful music, bro. Wonderful music, bro. Trust me. Trust me, dog. This. Yo, right at this point, bro, I don't even know what to say at this point.
We're floating out in space. Getting tired. I feel so alive. Caught up in its maze. It's where I wanna stay.
Whoa, 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 whoa. The extra joint is now neat. This is really neat. This movement was unexpected because I never expected to see two more of his friends joining with him, bro. And they look as if they are some really cool dancers.
That's where I wanna stay.
Oh, here we go again. Here we go again. It ain't easy to have that vocals holding it so long. It isn't easy, bro. You have to be a professional to have your voice holding it out so long, bro. It ain't easy to do that, man. No, this is what we call professionalism, right? His voice is really good.
That's where I wanna stay.
Whoa. Alright, Sebastian, that was good, bro. That was really good. You've outdone yourselves. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to stay tuned, man. And please look forward for some more Sebastian reactions because I guess he'll be in the competition here on after. Okay, so I'll see you guys in another video. Peace. Remember to subscribe, stay tuned, hit the bell icon for more, and you all know, do the right.